Thank you for joining this exciting new effort between the U.S. Embassy in Slovenia and our friends at the American Slovenian Education Foundation. The bonds between nations exist at many levels, from the halls of government to the classrooms in schools. Each of you play an invaluable role in making our two nations stronger, because by reaching out beyond our own borders and collaborating with colleagues who have diverse backgrounds and experiences, you enhance the depth of your work while solidifying new relationships with talented educators and students.
Dr. Štromajer, former Slovenian State Secretary for Higher Education and Science. Otherwise, I was a ASEF SAVAS grantee in 2022. I was really lucky to go to the Center for Cooperatives at UW-Madison in Wisconsin, one of the leading American centers for cooperative development. The point of the visit was to see how cooperatives are being developed in the United States, what activities they're doing, and to see how the cooperative sector has changed over the last few years in the United States. The SAVAS Travel Grant is a great opportunity to reconnect with fellow colleagues that I had the opportunity to meet as a Fulbrighter at the same center some years back, and to deepen some ties, both research and personal, with people that do work in a similar topic as personally I did. And of course, always opportunity to exchange knowledge, ideas, and just to see how different societies, different cities are doing very similar things and to compare them.
With the help of this grant, I was able to visit two US universities and their travel and tourism departments, Virginia Tech and San Diego State University. The most important achievement of my Virginia Tech visit was I was there meeting on the weekly PhD seminars with all of the researchers and PhD students. So we were able to exchange how we approach tourism innovation and aspects of it on both sides. But what was the really important part was, while talking all about these details, how we do it, why we do it, we decided that a professor from Virginia Tech will become a co-mentor of two of my PhD students, in which we will work together on the topic of understanding the challenges and development specifics of small tourism entrepreneurs, small tourism service providers in the so-called peripheral tourism destinations in Slovenia and in the United States of America.
At the same time, I was able to use the knowledge I got from visiting the center to seeing how they're developing cooperatives in the United States, for example in Madison, Wisconsin, and other places, to implement it in the open call that the Ministry of Economy did just this year to facilitate the support and development of cooperatives and social economy in Slovenia. So it was a transfer of theory into practice with the help of the job and the work we're doing at the ministry.
So I must say that altogether, this brought me not just possibility to talk with some of my colleagues I knew from before, but also planning all these new projects, all these new exciting studies that we can do together with students.
People are great, it was a great opportunity, and I look forward to working with them again.
By expanding your own experience and that of your students, you create a new perspective on a world that is becoming increasingly linked together over great distances. And you tie together people who will work together for mutual success far into the future.